Ever wondered how we get a cough? Let's break it down. It all starts when something irritates your throat or lungs, like dust, smoke, or a virus. Your body's sensory nerves detect the irritant and send a signal to your brain. The brain acts fast to protect your airways. The brain triggers a reflex. Your diaphragm and chest muscles contract suddenly, pushing air out at high speed. Coughing helps clear out mucus, irritants, or even harmful germs from your airways. Common causes include colds, allergies, smoking, or even just dry air. So next time you cough, remember, it's your body's way of protecting you.